Hey guys, happy Monday. Before we start, I just want to tell you, I am so excited about this week. The big reason I'm excited is because Scaredy Squirrel, which is what we're reading this week, is one of my all-time favorite books. The main character in the story, Scaredy Squirrel, is just so funny. And some of the things that happen in the story are really funny. So I hope you enjoy reading that story. Now, we're going to start talking about our spelling focus and our word focus for the week. So our phonics skill this week is again long vowels, but we're going to focus in. We're going to get our binoculars and go super close and take a close zoom at two long vowels specifically and how they're spelled. Those are the long A and the long E. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this blend and read chart. On this blend and read chart, we have more long A and long E spellings. The vowel teams AI, AY, and EA make the long A sound. The vowel teams EA, EE, and IE make the long E sound. So let's read the first group of words together. We're going to read right across this number one all the way across. Paid, greet, may, lead, he. Now you read them once. Go. So what we're going to do with these is we're going to fill in a chart. And we're going to use this chart to help us sort our words. So we're going to kind of flip back and forth between these two charts. The first word that we're going to put on our chart is paid. This word right here. So take a picture in your mind of what it looks like. Where is it going to fit in with the chart? Point to it with your finger. The word is paid. These are the long E sounds. We're not going to put it in this chart. It's going to go up here. So paid, paid. Look back at that picture you took. If you put it in this part of the chart, then you were right. Air high five. Great job. All right, let's look at our next word. Greet. What is the vowel team that you hear making the long E sound in that word? Gr, E, T. Take a picture in your mind. This is the long A chart, so it's not going to go on there. It's going to go down here. Gr, E, T. When you took a picture with your mind, where is that word going to go? Point to it with your finger. If you said this one, wrong answer. We're going to put it in this one. Greet. Gr, E, T. Two E's together make that long E sound. All right, next one. The word is may. Take a picture in your mind. Say out loud, top chart or bottom chart? Top chart, good job. So may is going to go right here. A, may. Excellent job. All right, here's our next word. Lead. Lead. Take a picture in your head. This one might be tricky. So listen to how I said it. Lead. Is it going to go in the top chart or the bottom chart? Top or bottom? If you said the bottom chart, you're right, because those are the chart. That's the chart that has the long E sounds. So lead is going to go right here. If it was up here, it would say aid, and that's not the word that we're looking for. So it's got to go in this bottom one. All right, here's our next word. He. Point with your finger, where is it going to go? If you pointed here, you are correct. Excellent job. Air high five. All right, let's look at our next set of words. We're going to do number 2 and the set of words number 2 together, and then after that, you're going to do some on your own. So number 2, we're going to read the words together. Ready? Way, Main, beach, steak. We're not going to worry about this last one because my face is blocking that word. Way, main, beach, steak. I noticed that this word and this word both have an EA, but we read them differently. Beach makes a long E sound. Steak makes a long A sound. So we have to think about that when we get to our chart. So our first word is way, like Mrs. Way, our counselor. By the way, if you want to send her a message, you can get on our Canvas course and you can click on the counselor link and send her a message if you need to talk to her. So Mrs. Way, or just the word way, is going to go right here under May. Oh, it changed my M to a capital. It must have thought it was the month, May. So way is going to go here because it has an AY in the pattern. The next word is Main, like Main Street. Where do you think that one's going to go? Point with your finger. Did my cursor give it away? It was sitting there clicking on it the whole time. Silly cursor. So Main is going to go right here with that AI. Now here we have our tricky ones. We have beach and steak. We're going to put both on there at the same time. Beach and steak. Where do you think those are going to go? Well, I know that these are long A's, so they say A. And these are long E's, so they say E. So each is going to go down here with the E, the long E words. So that must mean that steak is going to go up here. Steak. And it's going to go in there. Now here's your challenge. I challenge you to pause this video and try number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. You can make a chart just like what we made to sort them into categories. Good luck.